This is Edusmart concept. In this lesson, we shall consider the JAMB 2023 English questions, answers, and explanations. Let's get started. Questions 1 to 5 are based on the comprehension passage. Please see the passage under the description of this video. 1. The central idea of the above passage is A. Curative medicine in our health care system. B. Effect of pathogenic viruses. C. Integrative medicine into our health care system. D. Body dysfunction and nutritional deficiencies. Answer, C. Explanation. The passage consistently argues for the adoption of integrative, holistic, medicine as a better approach to health care rather than focusing only on curative medicine. 2. It can be inferred from the passage that A. Curative medicine prevents one from all sorts of diseases. B. Integrative medicine focuses mainly on signs and symptoms of disease. C. Integrative medicine does not support lifestyle choices, positive mindset, and spiritual well-being. D. Integrative medicine has alternative diagnostic equipment that helps detect early dysfunctions and nutritional deficiencies. Answer, D. Explanation. The passage states that integrative medicine uses alternative diagnostic equipment, such as quantum body analysis, to detect early dysfunctions and nutritional deficiencies. 3. The writer's comparison of curative and integrative medicine is A. Desiring. B. Damaging. C. Juxtaposing. D. Synonymous. Answer, C. Explanation. The writer places curative medicine side by side with integrative medicine to show their differences, which is an example of juxtaposition. 4. According to the passage, the following are some of the ways of fighting against pathogenic organisms except A. Exercising in healthy ways. B. Relying on conventional medical doctors and tests, which focus on identifying diseases. C. Dwelling mostly in positive mindsets. D. Drinking energy water. Answer, B. Explanation. The passage criticizes reliance on conventional tests and doctors that focus only on identifying diseases rather than preventing them. 5. The most suitable title for the passage is A. The human immune system. B. The need for a shift in our health. Questions 6 to 15 are based on a lexis and structure passage as follows. The 6. A. Policeman. B. Doctor. C. Judge. D. Officer. Answer, A. Policeman. Explanation. A policeman investigates criminal cases. The others do not normally perform this role. Has just completed his 7. A. Investigation. B. Study. C. Research. D. Examination. Answer, A. Investigation. Explanation. An official inquiry into a crime is called an investigation. Into a case of 8. A. Trouble. B. Insult. C. Abuse. D. Assault. Answer, D. Assault. Explanation. Assault is the appropriate legal term for a criminal attack. Brought by a 9. A. Witness. B. Litigant. C. Complainant. D. Defendant. Answer, C. Complainant. Explanation. The complainant is the person who reports a case to the police, but was undecided as to whether or not there was enough evidence to 10. A. Sue. B. Imprison. C. Prosecute. D. Execute. Answer, C. Prosecute. Explanation. Criminal cases are prosecuted in court, not sued. The 11. A. Enemy. B. Miscreant. C. Accused. D. Counsel. Answer, C. Accused. Explanation: the accused is the person charged with an offense. However, his inspector felt that there are sufficient ingredients in the case to warrant 12. A. Detention. B. Attention. C. Prosecution. D. Execution. Answer: C. Prosecution. Explanation: sufficient evidence means the case should proceed to court. Not only were there witnesses to 13, the evidence of the complainant. A. Corroborate. B. Validate. C. Testify. D. Strengthen. Answer: A. Corroborate. Explanation: to corroborate means to support or confirm evidence. The courtroom was filled to capacity during the ensuing 14. A. Game. B. Trial. C. Duel. D. Match. Answer: B. Trial. Explanation: a trial is the formal hearing of a case in court. The presiding magistrate had no choice but to 15 and acquit the accused for want of evidence. A. Liberate. B. Caution. C. Discharge. D. Dismiss. Answer: C. Discharge. Explanation: to discharge an accused means to formally release them due to lack of evidence. Questions 16 to 25 are based on Khadija Abubakar Jalli's Life Changer. 16. Salma compared the university lecturer to A. Police officers. B. Local government officials. C. Charge and bail lawyers. D. Public servants. Answer: C. Charge and bail lawyers. Explanation: Salma felt the lecturer treated students mechanically, like charge and bail lawyers who show little empathy. 17. What is the name of the janitor at the faculty registration office? A. Sam John. B. John. C. Matthew. D. Tal. Answer: D. Tal. Explanation: Tal is identified in the novel as the janitor at the faculty registration office. 18. Dash is described as the man who cannot harm a fly. A. Tal. B. Sam John. C. Omar. D. Salim. Answer: A. Tal. Explanation: Tal is portrayed as gentle and harmless, hence the description. 19. Who is Salma's fiancé? A. Hakim. B. Salim. C. Omar. D. Habib. Answer: D. Habib. Explanation: Habib is mentioned in the novel as Salma's fiancé. 20. After Ummi left the HOD's office, she proceeded to the for further registration. A. 100 level course rep office. B. Queen Amina hostel porter's office. C. Dean, Students Affairs office. D. 100 level coordinator's office. Answer: D. 100 level coordinator's office. Explanation: Ummi was directed to the 100 level coordinator for the continuation of her registration. 21. According to the novel, which of these characters had a nasty experience on the account of using social media? A. Salma. B. Salim. C. Ummi. D. Tomiwa. Answer: A. Salma. Explanation: Salma's troubles in the novel are partly linked to her misuse of social media. 22. What were Ummi's children waiting for when Bint narrates her encounter with Mr. Saliu? A. Lesson teacher. B. Their father. C. Arabic teacher. D. Dinner. Answer: D. Dinner. Explanation: the children were waiting for dinner when Bint was narrating her experience. 23. Maulam Saliu teaches Dash at Bint's school. A. Mathematics. B. Social studies. C. Arabic. D. English language. Answer: C. Arabic. Explanation: Mal.